Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela webdev. In this video we will learn about the another important instruction, that is nothing but run instruction in the Docker file. So we have learned what are the things. So if you try to check in our Docker file, so now we have learned about the from parameter or the instruction, and the maintainer parameter also we have learned, and the another one which we need to learn is the run command. So the run command in a Docker file is used to execute the commands in the containers environment during the image build process. It is typically used to install software packages, set up configuration files, and perform other necessary steps to prepare the containers file system. So I will try to explain you about the basic syntax of this one. So if I try to open the notepad, okay, I will try to open this notepad. So the syntax for this one is run, and also it will be having the command. So this is the basic syntax of this run command. So examples will be something like, let's say that, so here you will be having from Ubuntu 20.04 or something like that you will use, or otherwise you can use the latest also, it's not a problem. And if you want to run the update, means you can use run apt-get update. So this is the command which we are trying to run it, and this is the run command. So normally if you try to see, so there are two forms in this one. So for example, let's say that one second. So there are two forms writing in this run command. So run command, so two forms will be there, and that means two ways we can write the command. So the one is the shell form, and another one is the executable format, or exec form you can say it. So these are the two ways in which we can write the run command. So the command is executed in a shell. So the shell form means the command will be executed in a shell. So here the command will be in such a way that run echo, you can use the hello world. Okay, so like this you can do it. And this command, so what it will try to do is, this command echo hello world is the command, it will be executed in a normal shell. So that is a basic shell. And another format is the executable format. So the same command you can write it in exec form also. So there is nothing but it will be something like a square brackets, and here echo you can write it, the first one is the command and the second followed by the parameters. There is nothing but hello world, that's it. So this is thing. And now for example, let's say that in our shell format, if you are having run apt-get update, means, so apt-get is the command, update is the option we are trying to send it. So in the exec format, if you run it means exec, okay, run, sorry not exec, square bracket apt-get and also the update. Okay, so this is how we will be writing it. So the exec form is the preferred when the command includes a JSON array format, or as it avoids shell string processing. So that is one thing. So conclusion, what I want to tell you is the run command is the most powerful feature in the Docker file that allows you to execute commands and install software within your Docker images. Proper use of this run can help create efficient, well organized and smaller Docker images, improving both build times and runtime performance. So that is one thing which I want to tell you. And you can run, so the two things I have told you, right? So one is the exec format and also the shell format. For example, let's say that you are running this one, right? So if your example, let's say that you don't want this one to run in normal shell, I want to run this command in a bash shell. If you want to run this one in a bash shell, means then you need to write /bin/bash -c, and you can write here the command you can write it. So here you can write the command, echo hello world, or otherwise you can write something like apt-get update. So this is the command you can write it. This one command will be executed in the bash shell, and this command will be executed in a normal shell. So these are the differences between these two. So hope you understood about this concept. Let's try to see the practical implementation of this one. So now I am going to the practical implementation of this one. So first I want to execute the run command. So here what we are trying to do, here we have created our Ubuntu image, and now I want to run the apt-get update. So you can write apt-update or otherwise apt-get update also. So first I will try to write it in a normal shell. So run apt-get update. So this is the command I am using. So that's it. So you can exit and you can run the, so if you try to check the Docker image ls, so I want to, so here if you try to see, So these are all the images we are having it, right? None and none, these are all untagged images. For example, let's say that you are having two untagged images. Now I will try to build the command. So docker inspect ubuntu, not inspect, docker image build, right? So where can you find? Yeah, ubuntu -demo. So now if I try to press enter, so let's try to press enter. Now it is trying to build the, right? So now here it is trying to build. So step 1 of 2 is completed and it is extracting, and it will try to do step 2, it will try to execute. That is nothing but what I wanted is, so it is extracting step 2. Step 2 is run apt-get update. Now it is executing the apt-get update also. So it will take some time. So now the image will be built. So the layers will be, so these are the 2 layers which you will be having. Now it's finished. So now if you try to check docker image ls, now here three untagged, previously there are 2 untagged images, now there are 3 untagged images. Now how you are getting this third untagged image is, so right now we are having ubuntu-demo latest, right? So when we are building a new image, so this ubuntu existing one will be gone into here untagged, and new ubuntu demo will be created and the latest tag will be attached to this image. Why? Because so we have changed the configuration for this one. So that means the previous configuration has been removed. So these are called as an untagged images, and this one new tag has been assigned to this one. So this is how we will be building. And now let's go build the let's check this one. So this is one command which we have executed, right? So this one is nothing but normal shell format. If I want to write in exec format, how it will try to do it is run apt, okay, why it is coming like that. Okay, run square bracket, okay, apt-get. So this time I will be taking -y, I will take -y, that means all s I am trying to press it. So I am using all s -y, and I will try to do the upgrade, okay, I will try to do the upgrade option. Now if I try to do control WQ, and if you try to run it again, so now if you try to check, so now the image will be built. So here it is trying to get from the cache and it is reading the packages list. Now it is trying to do the -y upgrade. So now it is exporting and all those things it is doing. For example, if you don't want to read the data from the cache means, then what you can do it is, you can use an option -no cache. Now all the time it will build the image from scratch onwards. So it will not take from the cache. So this one, the image is taken from the cache, but this apt-update, now it is running again. If you mention it no cache, all the time it will run it apt-get update. Here it hasn't run. So why? Because apt-get update has cached, but here this is not cached, it is running. So whenever you want to know cache means, so you don't want to get the data from the cache means, you can use this option -no cache. This is one thing. And now this one is built. Now another one what I want to tell you is, so now let's go on to the Docker file, and here we have written another format, right? So I want to execute in a bash shell. So I don't want to execute, so I want to execute in a bash shell. So here I can write run /bin/bash, okay, sorry, the command is wrong, /bin/bash, sorry, you should write it like this, sorry, okay, /. -c is the command, so followed by -c command, and you need to write the command in the double quotes here, apt-get -y dist-upgrade. So what is the difference between this upgrade and the dist upgrade is, dist upgrade what it will try to do is, so when it is trying to install a dependency, and that dependency will have another dependency means, that dependency also will be downloaded into our system, whereas the upgrade will install only that dependency. So that is the difference between these two. Major difference is that one only. So here I am trying to do it, and let's build this one with no cache. Now all the steps will be performed. Step 2/4 run apt-update is running, and the next one is step 2/4, step 3/4 is upgrade, and the last one is the dist-upgrade. So it will try to do it. So here -get -y upgrade it is doing. So 3/4 is also running, and 4/4 bin/ it is trying to execute this in the bin/, and the command it is executing, and now exporting to the layer, and Ubuntu image has been formed. So this is what about the run command. So run command is used to execute the commands in the Docker file or the Docker image. So we will be using to execute the commands. Hope you understood about this run command, the different forms how we can write this run command. So one is the normal shell format, another one is the exec format, and if you want to use a particular shell means bash shell means, then the bash shell format also I have shown you. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.